So this is my first video. This is my first bike I picked up. It is a 1982 XJ750 Yamaha Maxim. Picked it up from a guy on Craigslist, and being that this is my first video, and just kind of show what I'm going to be doing, and maybe it'll help some guys out, maybe it won't. Always open to comments and stuff after the video in the comment section. But this is basically what I got. Got it on Craigslist, pretty cheap. Guy said that he just wants a bigger ride, V-twin. He's selling this one cheap. Got it mostly all in parts. Got the gas tank over here, and some other parts that he had in. I did some modifications already. Did some rewiring, worked all the wiring harnesses back up, worked everything else back in. Up here, that was not on there. Bike has a lot of 650 parts on it, but that's kind of the way it is. Got a couple of these side covers here. This one I bought eBay, of course, among other things. Airbox is taken out. I took that out, put in the pods, and the problem that I'm having now is that these carbs, there's fuel leaking out of the pods, so I'm guessing it's some gum up in here and stuff, so I'm going to be taking those apart, showing you guys what I did. Yeah, so once I get this off, tank's already off, so I'm halfway there. Just get this off, and then I'll show you guys from there.